ganito po ang aking waterproof na cup pagka malakas ang ulan. Look, Freddy! Very nice, look! Do you like my cup? It's raining. It's kind of drizzling right now, so you know you should use this cup from your breakfast. It has even have a hole for your ears. You see? That's a hack. That's a YouTube hack. So you see, you like it? You should. I like it. 很好用哈，做防水啊。下雨天就可以用这样，你的早餐的那个袋子。哎，哦，你看，拔掉哦。哦，干了，对不对？没有了。YouTube hack, use your breakfast support.